Welcome back to Season 6, Episode 2 of the worst internet beer reviewer ever. The wife picked up this summer ale, and it's hot. This is summertime. It is like 92 degrees out here. How you doing? And what we're going to do is open this one here on camera, because that's a camera, and it's looking right at me. Why wouldn't it be? And I clean my glass out, and in she goes. This is called Samuel Adams. Oh, look at that clean head. Looks like a beautiful lagered beer, but we'll find out in a minute if it's a lager or not. I'm overflowing it. And that's what you're supposed to do with these. Let it flow over. Ain't going to kill you. So there you go. Sam Adams Summer Ale. Let's see what we get on this and what we taste. Ah.
Summer.
Cue the bong sound. Oh, I'm smelling a clean hop smell. And I'm the worst. I'm guessing a hop. So on with the taste test here. It's got a nice fading head. 1.5 inch finger head there, depending on the size of your fingers. If you got cucumber fingers or fingers like mine. So. Oh, that's a lawnmower beer. Wow. So let's see what I had to quench my thirst. Like you see, it's so hot out here. Let me see what I'm tasting, and see if I can pick up on what I'm tasting on this review. Definitely getting a lime taste. I don't know if they're considering this a light wheat beer, if there's wheat in here or not. But I'm getting a lime taste. Wow. Very citrusy on the second taste. Loving that for a minute. Yeah, I'm missing. There's something else there. It's not pineapple. Oh boy, citrusy though.
Orange.
Orangey taste, you said?
Mm-hmm.
The worst beer reviewer's wife said orangey taste. I wish. Stay out of my business!
Stop it. Get some help.
But,
Grains of paradise. What are grains
there
of
she goes
paradise?
again. There she goes again. If she wants to do this, she should get her own freaking channel. So, your own freaking channel. So, let's, on with this review. Lawnmower beer. Lime, lemony lime. I saw her reading off the side of the bottle, so I must say something on here. Summer ale. A bright citrus wheat ale. Oh, I got wheat. I did guess wheat. Bursting with orange. No, I said orange, but I heard her say that. Lemon and lime. I got the lime. And grains of paradise. Perfect for a summer day. Watching your neighbor cut her lawn in a bikini. I tell you what. How could it be the worst if you're dealing with that, huh? So, the color is almost clear, a golden color. Almost like a urine sample. Not mine, but maybe somebody's got clean urine. If there's such a thing as clean urine. I heard there was, but... So on a scale of, what I buy it again? On a scale of 1 to 10, for a hot summer beer, mild on the hops, very mild on the hops. I wouldn't have guessed it as a wheat, but I did guess it as a wheat. I think I did. I'd give it on a scale of 1 to 10. I give it a 7. It goes right along with one of my good beers. The lacing isn't really strong. The head faded quick. Carbonation is medium. Almost a shanty.
What the hell is even that?
I wonder if it says what the alcohol content is on this. I didn't find that there somewhere there. 5.3. So that's not too bad. So instead of give it a 7.5, 8, why wouldn't I? That's not too bad. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I think I would.
Fascinating.
I think I would on a pinch on a hot day. So until next time, stay thirsty. Proust. You guys can check it out if you want, but why would you?